And Harrison. He's a little shyer than Bob, but he's thinking about it. Oh, are you gonna get him? Oh my goodness. Oh, and Bob's coming around from behind. Harrison and the kittens. Look at these guys. They like you. You're all such big boys. Okay, we're getting from both angles. We're getting kittens. Kitten love. Hi, Bob. Hi, Harrison. And that's Catton. Yeah. Oh, hi, Bob. Bob likes to be on camera. Aw, sweet Bob. He wants pets. There's Catton with Harrison. And here's Bob with me. Hi, Bob. There's Scout. Yeah. And there's Auntie Livy. Hi. Is that so fun? You get to meet kittens? They like you. Oh, so nice, Catton. Yeah, so nice to the baby. Oh, Harrison loves animals. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you really do love them. Catton, it's time for your close-up. Hey, Catton. Harrison, it's time for your close-up. Okay, I like that. Oh, look at that. Kitty cat. Oh, get him. Yeah, so fun. So fun meeting cats.